Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm going to walk you through an easy step-by-step guide on how to find the rental property owners with PropStream. So to get started with a quick and a straightforward guide on how to find the rental properties owners with PropStream. So the first thing to do is to log into your PropStream account using your account credentials. So from there, go to the property search bar and enter a city or a country, even the country code or even the zip code of your choice. Then from there, click on the filter to open the advanced search option. So from there, scroll down to the ownership information section. Then from there, under the owner occupied, select no. This helps filters out properties where the owner doesn't live or likely rentals. Then from there, use the property type to choose the family or a single family or multifamily, or you can also apply the filter like years owned, equity, or a lease scale date. Then from there, click apply filters to generate your list. So from there, review the results. These are usually rentals or investment properties. Then from there, you can then check each properties to see owner's details or export the list from the outreach or for the outreach, and that's it. Find the video helpful, turn on the video button and subscribe for more. Thank you.